In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the best car vacuum cleaners on the market today. Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the best car vacuum cleaners on the market today. If you're like me and hate having to clean your car manually, then you'll want to stick around because I'm going to show you some of the best options that are available right now. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. So let's get started with the video. Number 6. ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner. ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect accessory for anyone who wants to keep their car clean and tidy. This small, handheld vacuum is powerful enough to tackle any dirt, debris, or crumbs, and comes with a number of attachments to make cleaning your car easier than ever. The convenient 16-foot cord gives you the freedom to clean any part of your car without having to worry about a dead battery. This car vacuum is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their car looking its best. This budget-friendly car vacuum is ready to go, and it plugs in your vehicle's 12V outlet. You get 16 feet of cord with which you can easily clean hard or soft surfaces like upholstery, as well as carpets in cars, even cup holders. In our tests, we were impressed by how powerful its suction was. According to one tester, the strong enough tool grabs pieces from underneath levers for hood and gas tank, saving me step using smaller attachment. A flexible hose attached at both ends gives extra reach under seats. The powerful 106 motor on the ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner provides strong suction that can easily remove any dirt, debris, or crumbs. The mini car vacuum also features a top-of-the-line washable filter, so you can keep it clean and working like new. The ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner comes with everything you need to keep your car's interior looking its best. The included car cleaning kit includes 3 attachments for detailing, a carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter. This is a must-have accessory for anyone who wants to keep their car clean and tidy. Number 5. Bissell AeroSlim Lithium-Ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Bissell's AeroSlim Lithium-Ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum is a powerful, versatile, and compact cleaning solution for your home or office. This cordless vacuum features a lithium-ion battery that provides up to 12 minutes of continuous cleaning power, making it ideal for quick cleanups. The included 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush store together on the hand vacuum stand, so they're always ready to use. The USB charging cable makes it easy to keep the vacuum charged and ready to use. Bissell's vacuums are known for being both reliable and effective. The Bissell 1032H2O is a great choice if you need an easy-to-use, but solid compact car vacuum that can be stored anywhere. It features 12 minutes worth of cordless cleaning power with its lithium-ion battery before needing another charge. Plus, there will always be indicator lights telling us when they're due to go into recharge, between 2 to 3 hours. Number 4. Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute is a powerful and versatile cordless stick vacuum cleaner. It features advanced cyclone technology and whole machine filtration to capture particles as small as allergens and bacteria. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for cleaning all around the home. It also quickly transforms into a handheld vacuum for cleaning cars and other hard-to-reach areas. The included combination tool makes it easy to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. The Dyson V10 is a high-end car-specific vacuum cleaner. It's expensive but also by far the quickest way to clean up any messes in your vehicle and can easily last longer than most other generic power tools on today's market. This upgrade from its predecessor isn't just about more suction or better performance though. There are 3 different modes that will help you get rid of dirt quicker while maintaining battery life over time, all at no extra cost. The Dyson 360i is more than capable of lifting stubborn pet hair on the lowest 2 power settings, and we found that its 30 minutes or so battery life was easily long enough to complete even a large car interior. It doesn't have all those special tools like vacuuming your vehicle's engine bay, but it does come with 2 essential items. One being their crevice tool, perfect for getting into hard-to-reach places, as well as this powerful mini motorized brush designed specifically for cleaning up after pets. Number 3. Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max Autovac Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Hoover's ONEPWR Blade Max Autovac is the perfect cordless hand Handheld vacuum cleaner for quick pickups in cars, vans, trucks, RVs, boats, and more. With its grab-and-go versatility, you can easily tackle messes anytime, anywhere without the hassle of a cord. The accessory toolkit includes an extension hose and multi-purpose tools to clean everyday vehicle messes on seats, floorboards, and other hard-to-reach areas. Dust Vault technology captures 99.4% of particles, one with no loss of suction too. The ONEPWR Blade Max Autovac comes with 2 to 40 ONEPWR lithium-ion batteries and one compact charger, extension hose, motorized pet tool, flexi-curless tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, and tough dirt tool. The premium Hoover ONEPWR Blade Max car vacuum is a high-end cordless vacuum that offers more than its cheaper counterparts. It includes an extra battery for longer runtime, powerful suction to pick up even small particles from hard surfaces like sidewalks or car roofs. It was very effective at this. And large-capacity dustbin so you don't have to waste your time cleaning out empty cans when done using it. This model also operates quietly without noise being generated inside vehicles where people may be sensitive about things ringing loudly after they turn off their engine light. Number 2. Black+Decker V10 Max Handheld Vacuum. A high-performance motor and lithium technology powered the Black+Decker V10 Max Handheld Vacuum, cordless, making it a powerful and fade-free vacuum. Its exclusive pivoting nozzle allows for huge suction power in a compact size, and the 3-stage filtration system ensures that dust and debris are spun away from the filter, keeping suction power strong. This vacuum is ideal for use in tight spaces and can be charged at ambient temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Black+Decker V10 Max Handheld Vacuum. Cordless, gray is a powerful and fade-free vacuum that can clean tight spaces efficiently. It has an exclusive pivoting nozzle for huge suction power in a compact size and a 3-stage filtration system that keeps suction power strong. You can charge this vacuum at ambient temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 1. HOTOR Portable Car Vacuum. When it comes to keeping your car clean, there's no better tool than a good vacuum. But not all vacuums are created equal. The HOTOR car vacuum is a high-powered, corded handheld vacuum that's specifically designed for cleaning cars. It comes with a 16.4-foot cord, so you can reach all the nooks and crannies of your car, and it has a powerful motor that provides lasting suction. Plus, it comes with a detachable dust cup head for quick and easy trash dumping, and it even has a built-in LED light, so you can see what you're doing in dark or dimly lit areas. Whether you're cleaning up after a road trip or just doing some weekly maintenance, the HOTOR car vacuum is the perfect tool for the job. With its long cord and powerful motor, the HOTOR car vacuum is the perfect tool for quickly and easily cleaning your car. It's also great for cleaning up after a road trip or for doing some weekly maintenance. Plus, its detachable dust cup head makes it easy to dump out the trash when you're finished. And its built-in LED light ensures that you can see what you're doing in dark or dimly lit areas. Whether you're cleaning up after a long drive or just doing some routine maintenance, the HOTOR car vacuum is the perfect tool for the job.